Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Beckoning Cat. Winds howled, branches shook, rain poured down. A boy found shelter under an old gnarled tree. As the boy shivered, he spotted a soaking wet cat hiding under a bush. Its ears were plastered to its head. Its tail was dragging. The cat meowed and raised a paw as if calling the boy over. The boy raced through the rain, scooped up the cat, and rushed to an old shed. Just then, lightning struck the tree where the boy had been standing moments before. The tree split and crashed to the ground. When the rain stopped, the boy hurried home, still cradling the soggy cat in his arms. His mother looked up from the wash basin to welcome him, but her smile faded when she saw the cat. "Not another mouth to feed," she said, shaking her head. "This cat saved my life," the boy said. "Please, may I keep it?" His mother looked from boy to cat, from cat to boy. "We have hardly enough food for ourselves. Give the cat some fish and water to thank it for saving you, then it must go." The cat eagerly ate the fish and lapped up the water. Then the boy did as he was told and sent the cat away. The boy watched sadly as the cat walked down the road and disappeared from sight. His mother returned to scrubbing other people's clothes. The next day, the boy looked for the cat. When he delivered clean laundry to his mother's customers, he searched the streets. No cat. When he went fishing, he searched the docks. No cat. He walked home slowly. He had not caught any fish. What would he and his mother eat for dinner? That afternoon, the boy created a clay cat with a raised paw to look like the cat that had saved his life. He displayed it in the front window. A man stopped to admire it. "That cat is beckoning me. I'd like to buy it." The boy thought about it. He didn't want to lose another cat. But if the man gave him money, he could buy rice for dinner. The man left with the cat, and the boy rushed to the market. Day followed day. Each day, the boy watched for the cat. While he watched, he made another clay cat. Each day, a passer-by stopped to exclaim, "That cat is beckoning me. I'd like to buy it." And then one day, as the boy made another clay cat, the cat reappeared. It had a large fish in its mouth. Soon the smell of baking fish filled the house. At dinner, the boy and his mother devoured the fish on their plates. The cat licked its bowl clean. The cat raised a paw. "This cat is good luck," the boy said to his mother. "It saved my life and brought us fish. Please, may I keep it?" His mother looked from boy to cat, from cat to boy. Then she smiled. "Thank you, cat, for saving my son and bringing us food. You may stay." Each day, the cat sat in the window next to a clay cat that looked just like it. Both cats beckoned. Each day, a passerby stopped to buy the clay cat. Each evening, the boy, his mother, and the cat ate fish and rice for dinner. "You see," the boy said, This is a good luck cat.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.